So everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore old images and damaged photos, whether the images are faded, scratched, or black and white. In today's video, we're going to be restoring those images and giving them a new look and also colorizing the images for free with just few clicks. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. The tool we're going to be using today to restore the image is called Nano Banana from Google AI Studio, and this is how the interface looks like. So you can come over here, you sign up with your Google accounts with your Gmail, and you have access to this. So you have access to $300 for 3 months, which is enough to generate some amount of images. So I'm going to come over to here that says try Nano Banana, which is the Google 2.5 flash image, and we're going to click on it, and it's going to state and this is how it looks like. So we're going to clear this prompt here, and we're going to add in an image. Let me upload this old image and see if we're going to get a good result. So I'm going to come over to this upload section. Whether you upload it or you just drag in your image here directly. We're going to drag in my image here. So you can see here it has uploaded. So I'm going to write in a prompt. So this is the prompt I'm going to make use of. Restore this old photograph, remove scratches, stain, and damage. Sharpen feature details while keeping them natural. Add realistic colors with balanced skin tones, natural hair shades, and accurate clothing colors. Maintain the vintage feel, but make it look clean and lively. So I'm going to click on run here. So it kind of takes like 10 to 5 seconds to generate. Depends on the prompt and depends on what you're looking for. So let's see how many seconds it's going to take to generate this. So I'm going to connect this to my Google Drive in order not to miss or to lose my files. I'm going to connect this to my Google Drive so that to save in my Google Drive. So I'm going to click on enable Google Drive. So I'm going to link my Google Drive accounts to my to this image here. So the Google server, then this is it here. So you can see it's generated, but it will still have some little scratch on it. So I'm going to write a prompt again. So I'm going to remove the scratches completely. So let's click on run. So yeah, you can see it has removed those scratches completely. So you can see the before. So you can see the before and after. So let's try other images. So let's copy the same prompt here and upload other images. So let me upload this other image here that is this other old image. I got these images from Pinterest. So I don't own these images directly, so I got them from Pinterest. I downloaded them from Pinterest. So I'm going to click on run, same prompt with the first one. And you can see it's generating. So wow, so you can see the before and after, and this is so amazing. Like the restoration here have this is super amazing. You can compare this with other image restoration too, and this takes seconds to restore, and it took 12 seconds for we to get the real and the natural image and the quality image of this. So this is it. So this is how to use AI for image restoration. So let's try one other image, then that's it. So I'm going to be trying this image over here, same prompts. Let me use the same prompts and let's see what we get for this image. Let's see what we get. So you can see it's loading. And wow, so this is the before and this is the after. So you can see it removes the scratches, the stain, the lost parts, and it fixes all this together. And you can see the old image. And let's look at this other image here. You can see how clean and how gorgeous this other image looks like. So amazing. So you can restore old images, and old images actually carries priceless memories, and most times these images are damaged and we tend to lose these images, maybe due to the scratch or the black and white camera it was taken with. So you can restore your old and creepy images here, and it's going to give you a perfect and a clean result. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell not to miss amazing content like this, to get notified whenever we drop new amazing content like this. And do not forget to leave a comment in this video. I'm Joseph from Juicy Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.